Hello everybody, this is Kevin the German Shepherd, and I am strapped in my little wagon, and I'm gonna roll down the slide. No Webkinz has ever done this in this wagon because this is the fastest speeding wagon in the universe. In Webkinz world or whatever. So I will be the first to try to accomplish it. Well, at least I hope I accomplish it. Many people have tried, but none have accomplished so far. I mean, like, by that I mean everybody who tried has died. Alright, on to another subject. Alright, wish me luck. This is my guitar seat belt that I got for Christmas. Okay, this is going to be scary. Oh, God. Oh, dear. Okay. Oh, dear. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so big. Okay. Whoa. I'm alive. That was awesome. See you next time on Webkinz Beat the World.